Every day, more people want to know how they can make money online for free. They want to break out of their boring, exhausting, or otherwise unideal jobs and become their own boss from the comfort of their homes. And they want to do it without spending the precious resources they have now. Today, I'm going to show you how to make $56 per hour easily online for free. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack for organizing and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves doing various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to emails, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. With the number of solopreneurs increasing, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or Virtual Assistant Jobs. VAs make around $19.36 per hour on average, according to Indeed.com. Some virtual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can follow suit by creating a Facebook business page and sprucing it up with content promoting your service. It's free to create one and you can share it anywhere on the web. Number 2. Do research online. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable sources of info for them. Then they share that info with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their tasks. All you need is a computer and internet access. Here are some companies that regularly look for online researchers. Wonder hires virtual researchers to find quality answers to the questions posed by its clients. Tasks may involve gathering statistics, explaining market trends, or determining competitive landscapes. 10EQS hires industry experts who can research and answer questions relevant to their particular industries. If you have extensive knowledge of an industry, you can apply to join 10EQS's team of experts for an opportunity to work on live research projects. Number 3. Transcribe audio and video files. Though artificial intelligence is emerging as a tool to help with speech-to-text transcription, it's far from perfect. Therefore, many companies rely on transcriptionists to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. You can lock in a part-time role with a company like Rev or work freelance with multiple firms on specific projects. Most companies let you choose between assignments you work on and set your own schedule. The best part is you don't need to invest anything up front. Simply use the speakers that come built into your computer to transcribe. To succeed as a transcriber, you'll want to strengthen your typing skills. Your work needs to be error-free and easy for clients to comprehend. Start practicing by transcribing short audio files so you're ready to apply for jobs with transcription companies. Number 4. Set up a Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that helps artists and creators get paid. Through this platform, fans can subscribe to projects by paying a subscription. If you regularly create videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, you can join Patreon to let your most passionate fans support your work via a monthly membership. To be successful on Patreon, you'll need to offer your followers something intriguing to earn their support. This could mean involving them in your creative process or offering exclusive content created specifically for them. Check out these ideas for rewards you can offer your fans on the platform. It's completely free to sign up with Patreon. The company only receives a small percentage once you start earning. Number 5. Review websites and apps. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you'll usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. In most instances, you'll earn more if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Number 6. Join an affiliate program. Do you think you have the marketing chops to promote things effectively? Join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products, services, or brands on different platforms. Once you're accepted, you'll receive an affiliate link to share with others. When someone buys the product or service after clicking your link, you'll receive a commission along with credit for the referral. The commission payout depends on the affiliate program and the product being promoted. Basic items on the Amazon Marketplace won't pay out much, but promoting digital services like web hosting may earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing doesn't rely on blog promotions to generate revenue for a marketer. You can use your social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook to promote businesses and earn money. Number 7. Launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTuber? Nowadays, you can film unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits with nothing but your smartphone. And it doesn't cost anything to set up your YouTube channel. By signing into YouTube using your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you'll have several opportunities to make money. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning by running ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands on sponsored content, sell merchandise, or become an affiliate to monetize your YouTube channel. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to focus on one niche. You could offer beauty tutorials, review tech products, do a daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices, whatever you think will bring more views. Number 8. Participate in focus groups. Do you enjoy sharing your insight and opinions with people? Take part in paid market research studies and make $50 per hour or even more. Focus groups are normally used to determine people's attitudes towards specific products, branding, or ideas. Participants may also be asked about their opinions on competing products or businesses. Focus groups can be conducted in person or online, but generally are free to join and pay participants handsomely. Number 9. Become an online travel agent. Do you know where to find the best flight deals and vacation packages? Consider working from home as a virtual travel agent. Travel agents get paid to help people plan vacations and personal travels. As the logistics, connecting flights, accommodations, sightseeing tours, etc., can be overwhelming, many individuals rely on travel agents to make their trips easier. You don't need any special certification to become an online travel agent. What you need are research and organizational skills to plan a smooth trip for your clients in the budget they mention. For assistance, you can partner with different companies to get discounts to offer your clients. Number 10. Sell photos online. If you regularly take photos or have lots of images on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock agencies to earn some money. You will receive a commission every time someone downloads one of your photographs, either a fixed amount or a percentage as determined by the stock image site. Best websites to sell your photos online: Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, iStock. If you build a nice collection around a particular theme, you can earn a good amount of money from it. And the best part is, every image you upload can be sold again and again, though some websites might require you to make the photos exclusive to their platform. Number 11. Offer social media consultancy. Know how to get followers on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest? Put your skills up for sale by promoting yourself as a social media consultant. Brands will contact you to brainstorm creative ideas, produce videos, and more. It's a great money-making opportunity for individuals with social media skills, as you can use your existing profile as your portfolio. Market your portfolio in digital marketing groups and forums. And don't forget to include a link in the outreach emails you send to agencies. Need inspiration? Check out Lucas O'Keefe's story. His journey started with a viral TikTok video that turned into a full-on consulting business, helping brands gain a following on social media. Summary: as we welcome 2022, the opportunities to earn money online without investment are only becoming more abundant. You could work as an affiliate, start a YouTube channel, offer social media consultancy, or sell your photos online. It just takes a little effort and time to see dividends from your work. Thanks for watching, guys. To learn more ways to make money online, click the next video on your screen now.